Bhagyashree Sahu and I am studying in grade 4. Today I am gonna show you a very delicious vegetable mayo sandwich. So let's get started. For the vegetable sandwich I have taken different kind of vegetable. Starting with a piece of green capsicum finely chopped. A little cabbage finely chopped. A small carrot grated, a few sweet corns, a few coriander leaves finely chopped, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, now just add some piri-piri mix, to taste, and just add salt according to your taste. To taste. Now add some mayonnaise. Mix it properly. Now add some mayonnaise. Filling should be creamy, not too dry. This looks very good. Here the filling is ready. Now I am going to place the filling. Okay. Now one slice of bread. Make sure you spread the filling across the bread slice. Now close the sandwich gently. Just press it lightly. Now gently. Just cut it lightly. Sandwich held in place. Sandwich hold in place. Cut in to the triangle shape. So there you go. Here is my delicious vegetable mayo sandwich ready. So do try. Thank you.